That was it, right? Right through there?
Yeah.
Hey, Ian, first pull. You see you rip through right through that fucker.
Well, I just ripped through that one upside down.
You have to go a little slower and you're going too fast.
No, I was side hilling above yours,
yeah.
And then I started scooting down, and then I hit your trench. But you being so heavy and all, leave big trenches.
This one will be a nasty one. I don't know if I get that going, man.
We'll make it.
You sure there's not an easier way around that way?
No, I think this is it. I know. You come down pretty fast down that as well.
That's no big deal. In that snow, it breaks down. It's just,
Yep.
that's where I lose momentum with this sled, but we'll try.
Yeah.
This is the last.
This is it. This is the last big one. Iffy one, yeah.
Once we're up this, it gets pretty easy.
So where you guys turn out between these trees? Or
Yeah, you got to left, and then when you're going up there, you kind of got to get on edge, on your left edge.
Do you see the dead trees?
Yeah.
And the fresh trees?
Yeah.
Try and get through the middle.
I'll let you do a line, then I can see where we're going.
Yeah.
Okay, Ian, show us the way.
What about you?
I did the first half.
Hey?
I did the first half. You do the second half.
You are up there halfway. And if I don't make it, you guys have to get me a little track going.
Huh?
If I don't make it, you have to get me a little bit of track going.
We'll wait for you at the top.
Yeah. That's the problem with that sled then. If it sinks, whoop, whoop, whatever. Give it a try in.
Give me a sec.
Once we get up there, you'll see why.
Goggles are steaming up.
Take it off.
Goggles are steaming up.
Take it off.
Yeah.
No problem.
Atta boy.
Hey. I just put my glasses back on. Fuck me, look at that.
Not bad, eh?
Amazing. You definitely have to do lots of picture taking up there, Ian.
Yep.
That's sick. See, I guarantee you the guys come up there, it's easier.
German?
Whoa. Got me? I'm pretty sure they come up here.
Huh? Yeah.
I think so.
You can.
Huh?
You can. Let you go that way now.
This is awesome. You know what? I gotta take some pictures.
Up the top, German. Let's take the pictures up there.
Yeah, it's up there. Hey, and you know what? When you look at that video, there's a chance